A common use case for the thermal model would be inspecting pieces of equipment that potentially are going to overheat.
For some customers, they may have so many different pieces of equipment that it just isn't feasible to have people going around and monitoring these things proactively. So we'll typically put an infrared camera on top of Spot and then use Spot to patrol through these facilities, capturing shots basically of each piece of equipment along a route. Our platform will run through analysis over top of the raw imagery data, look for anomalies, look for trends that might be developing over time. So our solution allows us to send text messages, email alerts, or integrate directly into the work management system that these operators use day to day to create a ticket and notify the people that are there on the ground. They can take preventative action right away.